The following message has been requested by the National Center for Public Bullshit. A bullshit warning has been issued on November 10, 2019 for the following areas, every large city on the entire planet that will last forever. At approximately 4:35 p.m., the National Center for Public Bullshit has reported major bullshit spreading rapidly among citizens. The infection appears to be moving eastwards, globally, with periods of annoyance and boredom. Symptoms and side effects include bullshitting, driving idiotically, being unable to figure out simple problems, bashing out on retailers and food workers for doing their jobs perfectly, and believing stupid shit everyone knows differently. Seek shelter immediately in an unmarked paper, sack, or cardboard box. If you are unable to find shelter, act fast and grab the anti-bullshit spray at your local stores. If you suspect someone has been infected with this, don't even bother helping them. There's no hope for them, as there's no known cure for this. If you're listening to this and you believe you have this, may God have mercy on your soul, for you are shit out of luck. This concludes the emergency alert system for November 10, 2019.